You're watching Stump Steve!
Is there a cash prize at the end of this?
The inventor of the microwave realized its potential when microwaves melted this in his pocket.
And M&M's.
It was a candy bar. Judges?
Okay, close enough.
Which part of a washing machine dampens the tub movement during the spin cycle?
That would be the tub damper.
Ooh, our judge's answer is shock absorbers.
You can take their answer if you wish. I'm just giving you the correct one.
What is the ideal temperature for a refrigerator?
Fresh food section should be around 36, 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezer somewhere between 0 and plus 10 Fahrenheit. I got it. Anyway, I was sure about that. I was confident on that one.
When replacing a fridge gasket, how do you make the gasket more pliable for an easier install?
You can either put it in a bathtub full of hot water or tumble it in your dryer on a low heat for about 10 minutes.
Double points!
Nobody ever thinks of putting it in their dryer, but that's what I do every time. It works better than anything. If you can stand the thump, 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 thump in your dryer, it works perfect every time. Check our videos. We do mention that.
Think you can stump Steve? Leave your question in the comments.